here's my front door before, and you'll see this is what it looks like before I redid it from Easter. I would like to thank Pretty Things for doing this collaboration for your outdoor decor. Here is my door after Easter. I did the crocus wreath with a little daisy and a little pink and white bow. And I added the butterfly doormat. Then of course here's my little fairy garden. But that's the before and after of my door after I kind of updated it. I do have to sweep off my porch, but we got a good start and we will be tracking stuff in from doing the gardening.
Hello, good morning from Buckeye Girl and Buckeye Boy, or afternoon, depending on when you're watching this video. Cleaned up our flower beds yesterday, trimmed some stuff down, and these are mums coming up here. We got some tulips coming up, more mums. And just showing you what it looks like. Was a little bit of work. This cement planter and pot been in the family a while. It was my great grandma's and grandpa's, and we're gonna repaint that. We have a rose bush doing pretty good. This other one's coming back alive down here, small one. We have to get this going, this pot. If you're interested in a basket, we got it from the Amish down in Millersburg, Ohio. And they really dress it up, as you can see. Flowers are coming in. This leaning item back here is 2 clematis. And what I have to do is put a stake in there. We get the wind bad and it likes to tip this over, and this is a big improvement. It looks nice. This is a Japanese maple tree coming back. It does pretty good for the wind, hitting it pretty good at times. And I got around the house, I got a few more areas of mulch, so I just thought I'd show you. Stuff's coming alive. We're supposed to get a lot of rain, but they're talking maybe a freeze coming up. Some more tulips. Things are starting to look pretty. A lot of greenery. Bushes coming back there. Okay, thanks for watching. And I hope everybody has a good day. Take care from Buckeye Boy Thad and Buckeye Girl Melissa. Bye-bye. Hey everybody, I just got done mulching here and cleaning up things. And we got the red mulch. Pulled out some dead stuff so you can see the mums coming back here. Rose bushes coming alive. We need to do something with this planter, this other planter. I gotta fix the trellis. It needs like a stake to hold it. As you can see, the wind's blowing it. There's a lot of wind out there. And we got some flowers coming. Forgive my shaky phone, but the wind's really moving around. Okay. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.